Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome to the YouTube channel Technical Nepal. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can extract the file, zip file in webhost. So most of the time you encounter with them different error like FTP and many more while you try to extract a file from file manager of 000webhost. So I'm going to show you one technique which you can easily use to extract a file in 000webhost. So let's begin. So I'm going to log in my 000webhost account. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Technical Nepal yet, then you can subscribe to us, and you can see I click on the file manager. I just go towards the file upload file manager. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, then you can subscribe us and get more technical related video. So you can see I have opened my file manager, and in this I have just school.jpg. You have to upload one file. So on zipper.php I'm going to upload this file in drive. You can get this file from the link in the description. So download and check this on zipper.php. I'm going to unzipper.masters. Okay, you have to I will provide this app link. So you have to extract this and from this unzipper plus master. Unzipper.master. So you have to upload unzipper.php file, which is of 11.29 kb. After the successful upload, you have to visit your site link. Also don't forget, I have not here you can see I have not created any public underscore HTML file, so you may encounter with some errors. So first of all, we have to upload these all files under public underscore HTML file. So after uploading, you can see you have to visit your school site. Sorry, you have to visit your URL. Then you have to do slash onzipper.php, which we have uploaded, but I think it will not show us this file because this file is not under public underscore HTML file. So we have to create one new folder on the name of public underscore HTML. So I think you might already have this application, so you can upload onzipper.php under this public.html file, public underscore HTML file. So I'm going to move this file to public underscore HTML. You can do this process from this which I want to unzip. Also you should move it to the public underscore HTML, because when you do this process you have not you should not move from so now you can visit that site. Now you can see that is working, and select the .zip file, and that is school.zip I think. So just click on the unzip, and you can see successfully file has been. Now you refresh your site, upload site, and visit public underscore HTML. You can see this file has been extracted successfully. So in this process you can easily extract file. So now you can see you don't have to move any file here and there because of this technique, and you can see successfully unzip has been done. So you can also delete this unzip.php if you like. If you want, then successfully it has been extracted. Now if you thank you for watching. If you have any problem, then you can ask me and in comment section. Thank you.